Welcome students. So today we'll start with a new topic, parts and wholes. So parts and wholes. So we say parts of the body, now whole body. Whole body is one, single. Okay. Parts of the body. Okay, hands are parts of the body. Like example of car, tires are the parts of the car. Okay, so we'll study in this topic, parts and wholes. Say suppose I have a single circle. So how do I write? I write whole circle, 1, correct? A whole circle, 1, right? Correct? Say suppose I have one more circle. Okay, half of the circle is cut. Oh, okay. So how do I write half? I write half as 1/2. Can I say it's a one circle? No, because I cut half of it. Okay, so I say half circle. Say suppose I have a cake. Okay, I am dividing the cake into 4 parts. Okay, I am dividing the cake into parts. Okay, so I give one part of the cake to my friend. So what remain? How many parts remain? 3 parts remain. One part I gave it to my friend. It is already utilized. One part already utilized. So what remain? How many remain? 3 remain, correct? So how do we write? We write 1/4. 1 represents what? 1 represents whatever I was given or whatever I ate. Okay, so 1 represents whatever I ate. And how many parts are there for the cake? Parts were there? 4 parts. Okay. Say suppose I have one more cake. Again I am dividing into 4 parts. Okay. I'll eat 3 parts. Okay, I want to eat 3 parts. So how do I write? I write 3/4. 3 represents what? 3 represents what? How many cakes I have ate. And 4 represents what? 4 represents parts. How many parts does the cake was divided? Understood students? How it is? Say suppose again I have a rectangle. Okay, I am dividing this rectangle into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. Okay, out of 6 parts I give one part, okay, to my friend. I give one part to my friend. I am giving this one part to my friend. Okay, so how will you write? You will write 1/, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1/6. This 1/6 is called as fraction. What it is called? Fraction. This 1/6 is called as a fraction. Okay, wherein the top number is said to be numerator and the bottom number is said to be denominator. A fraction has 2 numbers. Okay, a fraction has 2 numbers. 1/2 is called as a fraction. This single digit is not a fraction. 1/2 is said to be fraction. 1/4 is said to be fraction. Something 3/4 is called a fraction. Any number upon is called as a fraction. It can be any number. Okay, it can be 10/5. It can be 1/2. Okay, any number which is upon is called as a fraction, wherein the top number is said to be numerator and the bottom number is said to be denominator, which is 1 and divisor. Okay, the top number is said to be numerator, the bottom number is said to be denominator. Understood, students? What is fraction? A fraction which has a numerator and a denominator, which divides, something divides, correct? 1 divided by 6 or 1 upon 6. Understood? 3 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2. These are all called as fractions. Okay? These are all called as fractions. Understood, students? What are fractions? Something 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, 1 upon 6. Okay? All are called as fractions. So students, we'll start with exercise 1 and exercise 2. I'll just show you the examples. Okay? Then we'll solve those exercises. Okay. Now, this first example, that is first exercise. Okay? I have given different types of shapes or different types of figures. Okay? You all have to write the fraction. And in the second exercise, I have given the fraction. You all have to draw and shade. So, what is a fraction? Basically, a fraction is a numerator and a denominator. It has a numerator and a denominator. The top number is always said to be a numerator and the bottom number is always said to be a denominator. The top represents n, the bottom represents d. So n represents numerator, d represents denominator. Okay, so we start with exercise 1. So in this first, I have drawn a circle. Okay, and in this first figure, I have drawn a circle. Half circle is utilized. Okay, half circle is utilized. So how do I write? I write 1 upon 2. 1 represents whatever I have utilized. 2 represents parts of the circle. How many parts of the circle have? The circle has 2 parts, wherein 1 part is utilized. So 2 parts. Same way for the second one. Okay. How many parts does this rectangle box have? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 parts. How many parts are utilized? 1, 2. So 2 parts are utilized. So 2 upon 4. This 2 upon 4 or 1 upon 2 is called as a fraction, wherein the top number represents n, the bottom number represents d. So n represents numerator and the d represents denominator. Okay, so we continue. Third one. How many parts does the circle has? The circle has 4 parts. How many parts are utilized? 1 part. So you put 1. So 1 upon 4. Then we go for the fourth one. How many parts does this figure have? Count the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 parts. How many parts are utilized? 2 parts. So 2 upon 8. So wherein 2 is said to be a numerator, 8 is said to be a denominator. Then we go for the exercise 2. Now in this exercise 2, I have given the fraction. You have to draw. You can draw anything. You can draw a square, you can draw a circle, you can draw anything, provided it is divided into correct number of parts. The first figure is 2 upon, the first fraction is 2 upon 4. Correct? So draw. Say suppose I want to draw a circle. The circle. So how many parts I have to divide this circle? See, 2 upon 4. How many parts I have to divide? I have to divide 4. Okay. I have to divide the circle into 4 parts. So divide the circle into 4 parts. So 2. How many parts are utilized? 2 parts are utilized. Correct? Shade any 2 parts. 1, 2. So it is 2 upon 4. The second fraction, 1 upon 4. Again, I draw a square box. Divide this box into how many parts? 4 parts. How many parts are utilized? 1 part. So shade 1 part. Understood, students? Then, third one, 3 upon 4. You can draw anything. Again, I am drawing a circle. Dividing into 4 parts. Why 4 parts? 3 upon 4. Very good. Numerator is 3, denominator is 4. The denominator is 4 parts. Okay. So, divide any figure or any shape into 4 parts. So, how many parts are utilized in this? 3 upon 4? 3 parts. So, shape 3. 1, 2, okay. 3 parts. Then I have 6 upon 10. It's a big number. So, draw anything. Let's say I want to draw a rectangle. Okay. Dividing into 10 parts. How many parts? 10 parts. Count if it is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, divide this into 10 parts. So, how many parts are utilized? 6 parts. So, shade 6 parts. 1, 2, you can shade any more parts. 3, 4, 5, okay, 6. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6 upon how many parts? 10 parts. So, 10 parts. And the last one is 1. Single digit 1. So, 1. One circle. A single. A whole circle. So, entire circle is utilized. Okay. So, shade the entire circle. Understood, students? How to solve? Very, very simple. Okay. This topic is very, very simple. Just concentrate. Okay, so we'll start with exercise 1, parts and wholes. Exercise 1, exercise